is unique about the program is its online nature. We get to meet people and have students from all different parts of the world that come together and share experiences.
It's really a special moment to not only celebrate the work that we've put in as a remote class over the last couple of years, also meeting everybody, and really helps kind of underscore it and bring it to life a little bit as well, so it means a lot.
I wanted the flexibility of being able to be a wife, a mom, and running the businesses that I run. So University of Sussex gave me what I was looking for.
It reflects a challenging and demanding journey.
The university accompanies you in the whole process. If you have any questions, if you need to understand further, they are always very present.
I work in supply chain already. It was an eye-opener to see how vast it is around the world.
This course just kind of helped me to expand my knowledge, my world. It means kind of like my dream finally came true.
For me, it means perseverance. It also is quite exciting to be completing a successful academic journey.
Today isn't just a celebration of your academic achievements, but also of your perseverance, your focus, and those that have helped you along the way.
It's helping support me in the roles that I have already in East Sussex.
It gives me a strong sense of feeling like a part of the wider University of Sussex community.
I do intend to apply my degree and everything I learned in my degree, but also possibly in the next few years, pivoting my career.
I want to be able to use the tools that I've learned from this master's to hopefully make the world a better place.